How to fix Marvel Rivals freeze-in. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I show you how to fix the freeze-in issue in Marvel Rivals, so if the game keeps freezing or lagging, stick around. I'll walk you through the steps to get it running smoothly. First, try closing and reopening the game. This simple step can often resolve minor freezing issues. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause the game to freeze. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or a strong data signal. If your internet is fine, the next step is to clear the app cache. On your device, go to the Settings app, find Apps, and locate Marvel Rivals. Tap on Storage and select Clear Cache. Now, still having issues? Make sure your game is up to date. Head to your App Store and check if there is an update available for Marvel Rivals. Another option is to restart your device, as sometimes a simple restart can fix performance issues that cause the game to freeze. If none of these steps work, try reinstalling the game, so uninstall it and reinstall it from the App Store to get a fresh copy of the game. And finally, check for any known server outages or updates from Marvel Rivals, as sometimes the freezing issue might be server-side. And that's it for fixing the freezing issue in Marvel Rivals. Try these steps and see if the game runs smoother. If it helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.